Human babies are born relatively helpless compared to the offspring of many other species due to a combination of evolutionary and biological factors. This phenomenon is known as neonatal altriciality. Here are some key reasons why human babies are born so helpless. Brain size and development. Human brains are exceptionally large compared to other animals, and this necessitates a longer period of development outside the womb. The human brain is around 25% of its adult size at birth, and it continues to grow rapidly during the early years of life. This extended brain development requires more time and external support. Pelvic size and childbirth. Human females have a relatively narrow pelvis due to their upright posture, which limits the width of the birth canal. This constraint means that babies need to be born with a relatively small head size to pass through the birth canal successfully. Consequently, the brains of human babies are still relatively underdeveloped at birth compared to other mammals. Parental investment. Humans are social animals, and our evolutionary history involves living in communities where individuals provide care and support for one another. The extended helplessness of human infants promotes strong bonds between parents and their children, as well as encourages cooperation and support within the community. This ensures the survival and development of the offspring. Learning and adaptability. Human babies are born with the capacity to learn and adapt to their environment. However, this learning process takes time and requires guidance from caregivers. The period of helplessness allows babies to be receptive to their surroundings, develop social and cognitive skills, and adapt to the unique challenges of their specific culture and society. Resources and environment. Human babies are born into complex and ever-changing environments. The extended period of helplessness allows them to be flexible learners, able to adapt to different cultural practices, languages, and survival strategies. It's important to note that while human babies are born relatively helpless, this period is temporary, and it plays a crucial role in shaping their development and preparing them to become capable, intelligent, and independent individuals as they grow and mature. The care and support provided by parents and the community during this early stage are essential for ensuring the child's well-being and future success.